Broken Arrow. This is Boss Muzzle. What's the status of my special delivery? Over.
Boss Muzzle. Broken Arrow here. I'm at the village, but there's no one here. It's completely abandoned. There's no one to deliver the... but the trees surrounding the village are so lovely. And I can put my arms right around this one. Oh.
What the heck is going on out there? Muzzle here.
Muzzle. The clients are waiting for their shipment of rosewood. And they're not known for their patience, if you get my meaning. I'll be sending a few of my associates to make sure everything goes as planned. In the meantime, get those machines started up and give that forest a brush cut. Now!
Dudes, those are some awesome-looking metal beasts.
Hey, no drivers are here yet. We still got time to stop this.
Stop this?
With what? We've got bows and arrows, and they've got tree-eating battle tanks.
With this, we're gonna spread a little love, Aguero style.
Yikes! Keep those pointed little things away from me. I'm still sore from the last time.
Okay, the crews have arrived. Everybody get ready.
Aguero. Aguero.